Introducing the sleek and stylish 2021 Seat Arona 1.0 SE 110 HP DSG FR5 door auto in grey. This hatchback is loaded with top-of-the-line features such as air conditioning, satellite navigation, and collision avoidance braking for your safety and convenience. With a 1-litre petrol engine and automatic transmission, this vehicle delivers power and efficiency. Plus, it comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Call us today or visit our website at spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on how you can drive home in this luxury car.